Howdy y'all, you got the Bulldog on the channel. My Snap-on man showed me something here a couple of months ago, and this is the first time I'm really getting to use it. I used it on one job and I was, fairly impressed. A 14 4-volt soldering gun. It's part number CTSG 861DB. The thing is, it runs off your 14 4-volt batteries, which you've got anyway, and you don't have to drag out a cord. So we're working on this trailer here. It's in the shop, but we just don't like dragging out cords. We will if you have to, but I'm gonna wire the lights up on the back of this trailer, and we're gonna see what we find. Now we're gonna flip this thing on, and I usually turn the heat up pretty good. You just touch the trigger, sit there and let it warm up. It's hot already. Okay, and you let it off, and it's supposed to cool down pretty quick too, but I'm not going to test that function. Switch the switch off. I don't know if they make a heat gun, but Rigid does. All right, we're heat shrinked with that glue inside the heat shrink, of course. I'm gonna put some looming on this and run it over to the other side. Not a long video, and this is not sponsored in any way. I paid for that tool, but whenever I like something, I'll show it. So if you want some of them, talk to your Snap-on dealer. I don't know about any other brands. I have not used them. I had never used a cordless before this. I'd used the little butane, and they didn't work very well for me. This works really good. So like, comment, subscribe, hit your little bell notification, share it all around. We'll talk to you later.